Okay, the fire trucks are here. Harlan, Westphalia just showed up. A few other places. There's about 3 trucks. Half a dozen guys. Looks like Rod's still trying to save a few boards to use in his house for the rustic basement. Quite a glare, so I'm not sure how good this picture is going to be. Got a little smoke coming out of the center of the pile so far. Snoop is sitting at by his side, waiting patiently to see if anybody needs rescuing. Few bystanders. Okay, this is part 1.